Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in beautiful Missoula, Montana. Today I've got a quick walkthrough and overview of this brand new Grand Design Momentum G-Class toy hauler. Let's get started.
So we'll start here at the front of this Momentum 320G. It's a fiberglass gel-coated front cap with a great look to it with the LED light system here. Then as we come over here, we got this great big awning with the LED light underneath to illuminate anything you have out here. Outdoor kitchen, all that fun stuff. Another great feature is this fully laminated sidewall. Really helps keep that insulation in there, and also, cold weather, hot weather, whatever it might be. Outdoor speakers to get the party started and have a good time. And then over right around here, we got your giant ramp doorway here. So what Grand Design does differently is they actually put their couches up on the side to give you a maximum height for your side-by-sides, your motorcycles, or whatever you might be. You can also turn it into a patio if you want to put the grill out there, have a nice view wherever it might be. So here's the inside view of the garage. Right up here we got our dinette table that fits perfectly right in the middle of these two sofas. We have new 2023 upholstery up in here. So then on these guys you can fold them down and lift this bed all the way up to the ceiling for maximum height. If you need that extra couple of inches, you can put those sofas up onto the side and make a little bit better clearance for you. So new 2023 models, they got a backup camera prep for your garage. Just keep an eye on your toys, if your dogs are back here, whatever it might be. What's also great about this is you have an extra bathroom here, one of two bathrooms. Then as we walk into here, we've got our living space in here. You got your couch, and what's cool is you got a bunk bed up here. And then coming into the kitchen, you got a stainless steel cover for the sink, and then plenty of counter space for coffee, whatever it might be. Plenty of cabinet space. Also, you've got dual fridge, dual freezer. And right in there, about 10 cubic feet, you are good to go. Also, if you don't want to use up all your propane, you've got your fireplace right underneath that's electric that'll help keep this place warm. And you'll notice the light interiors of the new 2023 models. And as we make our way to the front of the coach, we've got the master bathroom here with a beautiful new shower head in here, porcelain toilet, and a nice vanity with a nice black sink. Last but not least, we've got our master bedroom with the north to south facing bed with plenty of cabinet space up on top with nice shelves with USB ports on either side and a big wardrobe slide out.
Well, there you go. Quick tour and walkthrough of this brand new Grand Design Momentum G-Class toy hauler. I hope you liked it. For more information on this unit and others, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.